The Firestone and Ford tire controversy was a period of unusually high failures of P235 75 R15 ATX, ATX II, and Wilderness at tires installed on the Ford Explorer and other related vehicles. The tire failures are linked to 271 fatalities and over 800 injuries in the United States, with more injuries and fatalities occurring internationally. It led Bridgestone, Firestone and Ford Motor Company to recall and replace 23 million tires. It cut the market value of Bridgestone, Firestone in half. Firestone closed the Decatur, Illinois factory where the tires were manufactured. Several executives in Bridgestone and Ford resigned or were fired. It led Congress to pass the Tread Act, and it brought an end to the nearly 100-year corporate relationship between Ford Motor Company and Firestone.